This is our new Instant Pot, and I'm going to try using it for the first time. I'm really bad at cooking, so if I can figure out how to use this effectively, then it's going to work just fine. This is the 8-quart version. I'm going to be making some rice in it. My wife kind of walked me through how to do this. I'm going to put the lid on, close it, pressure cook. We're going to do 5 minutes and start. So we'll come back in a little bit and see how it's doing. All right, this thing is now up to pressure and it's starting to cook. So that 5-minute timer starts now. And then of course it needs to depressurize or steam or whatever after that. All right, so the 5 minutes are over. Now it's blinking keep warm. I'm guessing in a few minutes it'll let me depressurize it. This is still just blinking keep warm, so I think I'm allowed to go ahead and vent it. We'll see. Here we go. Moment of truth. Yep. All right, so that's venting. I guess that's just to tell you how long it's been keeping warm. But it's venting now and should be ready in a couple minutes, right? And this is what we got. What you think?
I think it did good.
Did good? Mm-hmm. All right, well, that's how you make rice, even when you don't know what you're doing, using the Instapot. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.